How do you ask a friend to go to the supermarket with you in Chinese? Let's learn with a simple conversation. 你好，你好，Hello, Hello. 小丽，明天你有时间吗？小丽，Do you have time tomorrow? 有怎么了？Yes, what's up? 我想去超市，你可以陪我一起去吗？I want to go to the supermarket. Can you go with me? 什么时候去？What time? 3点 3 o'clock. 好的 OK. 明天见，明天见。See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Vocabulary. 超市 supermarket. 陪 accompany. 时间 time. Mini quiz. Supermarket in Chinese. 时间 Number 2. 超市 Number 3. 明天 Reply in the comment box. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn Chinese with Taranum.